Hey guys, what's up? So today I am inspired from a makeup artist which is popular right now. That look is all over the Instagram. So I found it really creative and also really glamorous to do it on my face. I don't know how it will turn out and I don't have that products what that artist had used, but whatever I have I will try to be figuring out with that. And let's just start the makeup process. All you have seen that first of all in the base he has a really clean and glamorous base. So for that I am first going to apply a mask which will be there until I do my eye makeup, because our eye makeup is obviously gonna fall apart all over this area. So I'm going to do a mask. This Avon Planet Spa mask. So it was this much big, but these are hacks, you guys know. So I have just cut it a bit and I'm going to use this mask. So I have already applied gray lenses for the eye look and I am now starting my eyebrows. So for eyebrows I'm using this is Clammy gel eyeliner in the black, and I'm going to apply with the same brush it came with and going to draw my eyebrows super glamorous. Now we will clean this downward part because over we have face pack right now, so we will clean it later. So I'm just cleaning my under eyes and also packing the concealer on my eyelids, because our next step will be our eyeshadow. After applying the concealer under my brows, I am just dragging it to my eyelids. My face feels really white and pale right now because of the mask and the eyeshadow thing. But what we gotta do. So I'm just applying once more my concealer on my lids and we will just pack it on. Got a super clean eyelids now, so we will do our eyeshadow now, and we will not now remove the face pack because the fallout's gonna get in the face pack and we will clean it at once. So I'm using my palette Viva Beauty for all the shadows, and I will also get a picture over here of the shadows I use. I want a little bit of length on my lower lashes as well, so I'm using my Maybelline mascara and coating it really well. So as you can see now, I have hella fallouts on my face, so I'm just going to brush them off and starting on my base makeup. So first we will use a primer. So for base, I am using my favorite Olivia pan stick and just applying few swipes here and there. So today I am going to blend my foundation with my brush. You can use your beauty blender as well, but it is already quite late, so I am using my brush. I'm using concealer today. I don't use concealer, but because I have done a really dark eyeshadow, so I'm using my concealer and I'm using my makeup stick for my concealer, and I'm using a brush for a more cleaner look. Just this much concealer I'm applying. Contouring and highlighting with my Nykaa Contour and Conco palette, using this brown shadow as my contour. Then over that I'm using this Huda Beauty lipstick in the shade 02. I will link. I am done with my makeup. This is my makeup, so let's just quickly change. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video and learned something new today. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment as well. And I will see you guys next time on this channel. Bye guys.